going to show you how to do a couple fun things with watermelon with your KitchenAid 2-speed hand blender. I've set the hand blender to speed 1. You do that by twisting the dial up at the top here. And I've cut the top off of a watermelon like you would with a jack-o'-lantern. So you can actually use the hand blender to puree the inside of a watermelon. And this is so fun to do in the summer. The kids might even enjoy doing this with a little bit of help. And you can actually make the watermelon into a punch bowl. So you just press down and use that lowest speed to go around and puree the inside of your watermelon. Wouldn't it be fun to add a little lemonade there, or maybe even a little adult beverage and make that a fun summertime punch bowl? You can drink it right like this, but I like to strain it a little bit because even though the watermelon is seedless, it still has, a few seeds. So just push that right through the strainer. Look at that. So good.